I wonder what you're gonna learn today.
Thinking it's something fun.
Hello, Tila.
Enkeru.
Odinma.
Kerebinaga.
Ana makako na HLC leni.
Opukini kani na HLC.
Here, obusokia nibelaka HLC leni. Ebe naka isu asu. Ebe naka amu itu asusu igomade.
Chai ikurezi oku piko nemo bero kankamta pa bokaika.
Otutama onye nkuzi anyị.
Tama ụmụakwụkwọ kedu nọrụ naanị. N'ụbọchị tata anyị ga-agụ abịdị Igbo A, B, C, D. Anyị ga-akwụsị ebe a. Daalụnụ. Anyị agbasago akụkọ. Anyị agbasago akụkọ. Ekele dịrị ndị nkuzi kụziri anyị akụkọ. Ekele dịrị ndị nkuzi kụziri anyị Mommy and Daddy speak of Igbo language to me at home all the time. I don't like Igbo language. Why don't you like Igbo language? I don't like Igbo language because I don't understand it.
My mommy and daddy speak Igbo language to me at home. Because of that, I know some few sentences like Biko Yemi, Kedu, Kedapaki, and Kachipo.
What do they mean in English?
Biko Yemi means please give me water. Kedu means how are you? Kedapaki means how are you? Kedapaki means what is your name? And Kachipo means good night.
I also learned to say a few words in Igbo, like 1 ofu, 2 abwa, 3 atọ, 4 no, and 5 ise. And also, Kerebi Naga means where are you going? Because my mom and dad speak Igbo to me all the time too. Wow, when I get home, I'm going to tell my mommy and dad to teach me how to speak Igbo so I can speak like you guys.
Please do.
Yes, please do. Basically, this short drama is about two friends who met each other on their way. The other friend asked, "Where are you going?" The other friend responded and said, "I'm going to HLCN, where Igbo language is taught." The other friend was surprised to hear about Igbo language and followed him for registration. Igbo language is a language spoken by Igbo tribe. Igbo language is what identifies Igbos and Igbos in Kendi, Bokoro, in Jeremiah. It is important for every Igbo child to know how to speak Igbo because it helps them to understand their culture and tribe. Daalụnụ.
Bịa na HLC ebe ọ na-akpọ.
HLC Igbo School ebe ọ na-akpọ. Back to HLC Igbo School ebe ọ na-akpọ. Igbo